The Nature of Ego, a poem by Aunties Tbone. How can anybody who loves himself so much still love God? It's impossible, because ego will always get in the way. 12-step programs taught that ego was edging God out. Yes, looking at oneself too much and talking too much about yourself is self-worship. Whatever you self-worship, you are accidentally giving God the slip. You trip yourself too. This is why I don't do a lot of videos. Much of it is the gratifying of egos. Bloviating is often overrating and self-inflating.